Okay, let's look at in your book, and I mentioned go to page, let me see, hold on. On page 147, and I know I said number 48, but 48 is not going to help you study for the quiz, so I'm going to change it to page 147, number 50. So let's work that one. And it says to find the second derivative with respect to x. And in fact, I've changed my mind one more time. I'm going to do number 49. So put that one away. Page 147, number 49. I apologize, but I just need to find one that gives you a good practice for the quiz. Okay, and 49 is y squared equals x cubed. So we're going to differentiate with respect to x because it asks for the second derivative of y with respect to x. So that's 2y dy dx equals 3x squared. All right, so solving for dy dx, 3x squared over 2y. All right. Now then, it asked me to find the second derivative, so I've got to do it again. So to put your ddx in front of each term. And I'm going to use the quotient rule now. So here we go. So the second derivative of y with respect to x equals denom times the derivative of the top minus top times the derivative of the denominator. Oops, I forgot my, denominator times the derivative of the top minus top times the derivative of the denom, so I need a dy dx here, all over denominator squared. All right, so a little bit of algebra, and I'm going to simplify this expression, 12xy minus 6x squared dy dx over 4y squared. And I think we're going to go ahead and make a substitution, because it's coming sooner or later anyway. So dy dx is equal to 3x squared 2y. So I'm going to go ahead and substitute that value in, or that expression. And I'm going to have to get a common denominator in the numerator. So let's simplify first. And 2 goes into 6 3 times. 3 times 3 is 9, so this is 9x to the fourth over y over 4y squared. I'm going to move to another sheet of paper to have enough room. And the second derivative of y with respect to x is 12xy minus 9x to the fourth over y all over 4y squared. So this is nothing but algebra practice. It's helping you prepare for your algebra as we go forward. So again, we come to denominator y in the numerator. That's 12xy squared minus 9x to the fourth all over y all over 4y squared. And invert and multiply, minus 9x to the fourth times over y times 1 over 4y squared. Okay, so let's factor the numerator, and I'm going to factor out a 3 and an x, and that leaves me with 4y squared minus 9x cubed, 4y squared minus x cubed over 4y cubed. All right, so now then I need to see if I can do some more substitutions, if there's anything else I can do from the original problem. Notice that y squared was equal to x cubed. Okay, so that helps a little bit. I can make another expression for that. And second derivative with respect to y of d is 3x. All right, so here we go. Wherever I see y squared, I'm going to change it to x cubed. And the denominator, I can rewrite that as y squared times y. So I'm going to make another substitution. And simplify on the inside, negative 5 x cubed over 4, and there's another x cubed coming in. All right, and a y is going to be left there. So the x cubes are going to drop out, and I have negative 15x over 4y. Okay, so let me go back and check this, and we'll talk about this some more. I just got to check my algebra, as you always do. But you can tell I'm going to keep substituting until I get the lowest form. Now that the goal is I'm going to go back and check my work. So we will, if we don't talk about it in class tomorrow before the quiz, we will definitely talk about it on Monday. Okay.